Hello everyone. Today we are doing group number 4 of our Arabic letters. This group has the following letters: Sin number 12, Sheen number 13, Sad number 14, Dad number 15. Again, Sin, Sheen, Sad and Dad. By now, you've become familiar with the fact that some letters in Arabic look like each other and very similar in the shape, but totally different in pronunciation. Sin and Sheen are very similar in their shape. The only difference is the three dots that Sheen has. Remember, we tend to join those dots in the handwriting style. In the case of Sheen, the three dots look like an upside down V letter in a handwriting style. The same is also applicable to Sad and Dad. They are similar. The only difference is the dot that Dad has. What is more, other letters sound very similar and get a non-native speaker so confused. Example, Sin, Sad. Another example is Dad, Dal. If you are interested in those letters that sound the same, please look at the video I made a while ago where all letters sound similar are listed with some examples. Letters in group number 4 are Sin, Sheen, Sad and Dad. Again, Sin and Sheen are very similar in the shape. The only difference is the three dots that Sheen has. Those three dots look like an upside down V. Sad and Dad are also similar. The only difference is the one dot that Dad has. Sin and Sheen in an initial position are written this way. 1, 2, 3, and the hand. Again, 1, 2, 3, and the hand. Please do not forget the three dots for Sheen. Sin and Sheen in a medial position. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, and the left hand. Again, right hand, 1, 2, 3, and the left hand. Sin and Sheen in a final position. A right hand, 1, 2, 3, and the cup. Again, hand, 1, 2, 3, and a cup that half of it above the line and the other half is below the line. Seen and sheen. Finally, seen and sheen isolated. You see there are no hands at all. I've already written them for you, but I will do one more time. 1, 2, 3 and the cup. Again, 1, 2, 3 and the cup. For Sad and Dad in an initial position, please listen very carefully to my instructions and look at my hand. Both Sad and Dad have more like an oval shape that is leaning on the line. It starts narrow and then gets wider. Again, an oval shape starts narrow and gets wider. One more time. Sad and Dad in an initial position. Sad and Dad in a medial position. Just follow the same steps as the initial position, but don't forget about the hands on both sides. Right hand, an oval shape, and another hand. Sad and Dad in a final position are written this way. An oval shape and a cup. Don't forget about the hand. Again. One more time. Finally, Sad and Dad in isolated forms. An oval shape and a cup. An oval shape and a cup, half of it below the line and the other half is above the line. Maybe you've noticed that Sad and Dad in initial and medial positions have this little small tooth that disappears in final and isolated forms. Remember, this little tooth that you can see in initial and medial positions is so important to distinguish between Sad and Dad from many other letters in Arabic, especially in a handwriting style. So don't forget about this little tooth. Only in initial and medial position. The final bit of this video is to use those letters in authentic context. For example, Sheen plus Meme plus Seen is written this way. Shams. Another example is Dad plus Ba plus Alif plus another Ba is Dabab. Dabab means fog. Sad plus Wow plus Sad is Sus. Sus means chick, the baby chicken. This is the end of video number 4. If you still have any question about writing the letters in this group, especially Sad and Dad, please contact me at any time. I really hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you very much and goodbye. مع السلامة.